Welcome to our video on building a recommendation engine using Alteryx. Recommendation engines are advanced data filtering systems that use behavioral data, computer learning, and statistical modeling to predict the content, product, or services customers will like. Customers are drawn to businesses that offer personalized experiences. Our approach is very simple and based on 3 tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. Welcome to our video on building a recommendation engine using Alteryx. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of building a recommendation engine to suggest movies based on your watched and rated movies. Let's get started. Step 1. Data preparation. To start, we need 3 inputs: your watched movies and ratings, a dataset of movies, and ratings from random users. We'll connect the movie dataset with the Regex tool to prepare the data by extracting the movie title along with the year. Then we'll use the formula tool to remove the year from the movie title for further analysis. Step 2. Data cleansing. Next, we'll use the select tool to choose the required columns and rename them for clarity. After that, we'll clean the data by removing leading and trailing spaces using the data cleansing tool. Additionally, we'll use the filter tool to eliminate movies with null years. Step 3. Data integration. Now, we'll connect your watched movies and the cleaned original movie dataset. By using the Find Replace tool, we'll find the movie ID from the original database and append them as a column in your rating table. This prepares the data for further analysis. Step 4. Data investigation. In the data investigation phase, we'll join the movie ratings dataset with the prepared data using the Join tool. This allows us to find all the users who have rated similar movies to the ones you have watched. We'll then use the Summarize tool to group users based on the count of similar movies they have watched. This helps us identify users with similar tastes in movies. Step 5. Correlation analysis. To determine the correlation between the ratings of other users and yours, we'll use the Spearman Correlation tool. We'll also calculate the count of common movies between users and their correlation value. Using the formula tool, we'll calculate a score based on the movie count and correlation value. Step 6. Selecting most suited users. To identify the most suited users for recommending movies, we'll sort the users based on the movie count in descending order. Then, using the sample tool, we'll select the top N users with the highest movie counts. Step 7. Generating movie recommendations. In the Merging and Investigation section, we'll filter the movies and their ratings for the selected users. By using the formula tool, we'll calculate a weighted rating for each movie, considering the correlation among users. Then, using the weighted average recommendation score formula, we'll create a new column to determine the recommendation score for each movie. Step 8. Final recommendations. Next, we'll use the sorting tool to sort the movies based on their recommendation score. The sample tool will provide us with the top 20 recommended movie ID. We'll then join these movie ID with the original database and sort them based on their release year using the Join and Sorting tools. Step 9. Browsing the results. Finally, we'll use the Browsing tool to present the results, allowing you to browse through the top recommended movies based on your watched and rated movies. This personalized recommendation engine can be a powerful tool for various businesses. Now, let's explore some business use cases for recommendation engines. E-commerce. Online retailers can use recommendation engines to suggest personalized product recommendations, increasing customer engagement and sales. Streaming services. Platforms like Netflix or Spotify. Inquire about our complete Marketing Accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our Marketing Accelerator page. www.fugetroncorp.com/marketingaccelerator. Thank you and see you soon for a live demo.